Five websites to make you lots of money online in 2025. Now, if you want to make money online, the first thing is to understand platforms. Where should I go to make money? I'm going to be sharing with you five websites that I've carefully curated that if you can go there right now as I speak and do the things I'm going to be showing you, you can start making money within the next few days. Number one is Expertnear. Now, Expertnear is an affiliate marketing platform. Now, what sets this platform apart from others is that this platform is a platform that curates, brings together high quality digital product, especially online courses, right? They work with the best of the best in the industry. They get high quality online courses and they make it available to anybody who is willing to promote these courses and make loads of money. In fact, as at the last count, Expertnear has paid over 3 billion to affiliate marketers. I mean, 3 billion is a lot of money. 3 billion naira. I mean, now you can imagine having a cut of that 3 billion. So what are you supposed to do? Expertnear is not free, so I need to let you know at this point. But the amount to register is something that you use to buy coke or buy food. I mean, just by the roadside. 10,000 naira to register for a whole year. I mean, that's like almost less than 1,000 naira per month to be on the platform. So you go to the platform, you pay them 10,000 naira, you register, and you have access to the product, that's the digital product, the online courses, which you can promote. Now, another beautiful thing about this is that you may say, okay, how do I now promote the product? Because it's not just about having access to this high quality product. How am I going to promote them? That is where our affiliate marketing A to Z online course comes in. Now, this online course will help you understand how to promote affiliate marketing products. You will learn how to do affiliate marketing. Mind you, most people who make money online, genuine, legit money, most of them use affiliate marketing to make their money. But the challenge is that some who jump into affiliate marketing without understanding it end up not making it die. So what do? You first of all get the knowledge on how to do it, then you go ahead and start doing it. This platform is legit. People are making loads of money on this platform every day. As I speak to you, people are making money. So whether you believe it or not, whether you join or not, people are still making money. So what do? If you have the knowledge on how to go about doing this, go to the platform immediately and register. But if you don't have the knowledge, start with getting the knowledge. All right. Number two is Seller. Seller is another platform. Another platform that is into digital products. So Seller curates digital products like ebooks, online courses, which you can actually promote to make money. All right. Seller is something well close to Expertnear. They are somehow related, but they are not the same. They are different platforms. All right. On Seller, for you to sell on Seller, for you to have access to their marketplace, you need to pay them 3,000 naira yearly. 3,000 naira yearly. I mean, 3,000 naira cannot even buy you a meal in Nigeria at this time. So you pay 3,000 naira to be on the platform for a whole year. I mean, it's like almost free. All right. So you go to seller.com, you register, and you start promoting. Like I said, if you don't have the knowledge, what do? You learn further. You go to the description of this video, the link to our affiliate marketing A to Z course will be there. So you can learn how to do it. Because the most important thing is understanding how to do this thing. And we broke it down step by step. All right, number three is Upwork. Now, Upwork is a platform where freelancers, people who have skills across several areas, bring their skill to connect with those who need their services. So it's like a marketplace for skills. So for you to make money on Upwork, you must have a skill, some kind of skill, whether it's social media management skill or online advertising skill, maybe advertising on social media like Facebook, Instagram, and the rest, or maybe building a website, or maybe you're a graphic designer, you're a video editor, whatever is the skill, right? On that platform, you can connect with those who have projects, who are looking for people to help them deliver the project, right? So you connect with them, you help them deliver the project, they pay you money. Okay, so Upwork is another powerful platform which you can utilize. Number four is Tutorial. Now, Tutorial is a platform for, well, I would call it academics, people who are into teaching, right? You teach mathematics, you teach science, you teach English, you teach music, so that platform helps you connect with clients. Because the challenge is that some people have skills, but they don't know how to get people to pay them for their skills. So all these platforms I'm listing are places where you can actually earn using what you have, right? So if you know how to teach mathematics, you know how to teach English, science, music, and the rest, you can go to tutoria.com and you register. Right, the onboarding process is a bit, well, I'm not say tedious, but they are very meticulous because they're going to check that you actually know how to teach this thing. So they will put you through a test, some kind of a test, you do some kind of test, and you're going to produce a video introduction of yourself. You're going to answer some questions. You know, there's a whole lot, your bank account and all that, before they set you up and onboard you, right? But the processes are for your own good so that you will enjoy the platform and, you know, benefit from what they have put together. So Tutoria is a powerful platform. They pay and people are earning loads of money there. So if you are into teaching, if you are a teacher and you know you want to get something to augment what you're earning on your day job, you can use Tutoria. Because some people work on Tutoria full time. That means they don't have any school they are teaching. They teach on Tutoria because Tutoria I will ask you when you are available, right? So you're available, or you're available by the day or by afternoon or by evening. How do you want it? You know, so they give you that flexibility for you to decide how you want to work on the platform. So Tutoria is number 4. Number 5 is Teachable. Teachable is another platform where you can earn through delivering knowledge to others. So on Teachable, you can connect with those who are looking for knowledge and they pay you money for your skill. So it's somehow something related to Tutoria. But the difference is that Teachable also helps you to, if you have a custom thing you have created, like you have created a course that you want to get across to people, the platform helps you to put that course. So you can put your course, you know, on the platform and deliver it to your client, to your audience through, you know, their platform. So these 5 platforms are genuine, they are legit, and you can start immediately. All right, you can start right now. Remember, if you're going to be trying out the first 2 that I mentioned, that is Expertineer and Seller, which is mostly affiliate marketing related kind of earning, you need to learn how to do it, right? If you don't know how to do affiliate marketing, we have a course we have put together to take you from zero to professional level. And that course is called Affiliate Marketing A to Z. And the link is in the description. All you need to do is sign up to that course. Just something, the money is something that you can use to buy Coke across the street. Just $25,000, less than $15, you know. So sign up, learn, and start earning. So if you do this within the next 30 days, something will change around your life. All right, I hope you got value in the video. If you're yet to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and click on the subscribe button. Our videos are coming out almost every day so that I don't miss a thing. I'll see you again in another exciting video.